Welcome to the wild world of celebrity meme coins. These coins are inspired by famous figures, but be warned, they're highly volatile and can plummet in value at any moment. How can you stay profitable in such a market? Here are some tips to help you reduce your losses. To stay profitable, research is crucial. Keep an eye on trending celebrities, news, and social media buzz. Be on the lookout for celebrities from other demographics too. Put your X account to good use. Diversify your investments to minimize risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Set realistic profit targets and use stop-loss orders to limit your potential losses. Controlling your greed index is key to being profitable in this kind of market. Stay informed and educated. Continuously learn about the market, trading strategies, and risk management techniques. Invest wisely and responsibly. Celebrity meme coins are high risk, high reward. Good luck. If you found this content helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to this channel.